In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services, hit Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Then log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. When you're ready, click on this plus next to Search Passwords to add any other one from those settings. Then enter all of those informations. At the top, pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!